Welcome to SeeZam Lite. First, open the app and click on Login to sign in directly and access your eVaults. Enter your SeeZam identity and password. If this is your first time connecting to the SeeZam platform, you will be asked to accept our terms and conditions. Choose the type of connection you want, permanent or temporary. You will then receive an email containing a verification code sent to the address linked to your SeeZam account. Enter this code to pair the OTP with your device. During your first connection, you will be prompted to create a new password. It must contain between 8 and 50 characters. Enter your new password twice. Once this process is complete, you will have full access to your account and your eVaults directly through the application. You can enable notifications to be alerted whenever you receive a new deposit in your eVault. And if you don't have a phone number registered in your account, we recommend adding one to make the password reset process easier. Your connections through the web platform remain unaffected. You can access your OTP directly through the SeeZam Lite application. SeeZam, your virtual safe service, always at your fingertips.